Hello, it's Michael Gaffney. We're here today with a discussion on flowers and a how-to. I'm going to give you a couple samples today of what we received from Michael's flower garden. We received lots of roses, some wax flower, some mini callas, and some green hydrangeas and more. This all came in a box from Michael's flower garden. I run several companies. Michael's Flower Garden is a FedEx box of flowers. I choose the flowers every week. They're FedEx to you overnight, and you get a tutorial on how to design flowers. You also get a bottle of my magic sauce, I call it. It's a spray that I spray on top of my flowers, my own formula, that delivers flowers that last 2 and 3 weeks. I also have online classes. I also have single class where you can order a box of flowers as well, have them FedEx, and you get your own tutorial on how to design the specific class you wanted to learn. So, many things. I also have books, Flower Power, Design Star, and Paris. You can buy those at flowerschool101.com. So everything flowers is what I do. As you know, many years ago I was working on Wall Street. I took a job driving a truck at a flower shop, and this is what happened. If it happened to me, it can happen to you. So just follow my tutorials, you'll do great. In a minute we're going to turn these flowers into, we're going to do a couple different styles of bridal bouquets today. So it's easy, it's simple, following my simple math, science, and architecture. I'm the only one who teaches this way. And I've heard that from all my students who have gone to other places to learn design. They're like, you're the only one who really instructs us on why you put a flower where you put it. It's not magic creativity, it's called math, science, and architecture. Using principles of design to create something that when people look at it, they go, oh my God, it's so beautiful, Michael. And that's what I teach in my class around the country. I'm in 15 cities and in Paris, London, and Rome. So I hope you join us at one of our classes, either online or in studio. I appear on many television shows, the Hallmark Channel, the Today Show, and you can watch, pick up tips there. But I'm telling you, this is the point of this video. There is no reason your flowers should last at least 2 weeks, and you should be able to produce gorgeous flowers around your house. I guarantee it. So, michaelsflowergarden.com or flowerschool101.com. Come back in a minute. I'm going to start designing. Don't go away.